Now, those killed in Friday night's robbery at a supermarket on Main Street in Porus, Manchester, are the operator, Chinese national Jin Shanye, and Alfonso Cohen. The three persons who were shot were treated at hospital. Police say it happened about 7:30 last night. The gunmen entered the supermarket, robbed Mr. Jin and his customers of an undetermined sum of money, and fired several shots from high-powered weapons and handguns while exiting the building. The Jamaica Constabulary Force says quick response from the police led to the capture of all four men who remain in custody this evening. In the meantime, the police are reviewing case files to determine if the four men held following last night's fatal robbery in Porus, Manchester, are involved in other robberies. Head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force's Corporate Communications Unit, CCU, Senior Superintendent Stephen Lindsay, spoke to our news center.
The police are doing some more investigation around them because they have addresses. They have given addresses in Portmore, St. Catherine, and the Maxfield area of Kingston. So they are currently doing some additional information around these individuals because we know that in recent time, the parishes of Manchester, St. Elizabeth, they have been experiencing robberies, similar operations, men in car entered facilities and robbing the owners. So they are now trying to look at some of the previous cases to see if there is any link between these persons in custody and those cases.